Alright guys, Beef here, welcome back, and today we're gonna check out the Loremyi voice changer. What? Another voice changer? This will probably be the last one. Thanks to Ron for letting me know about this. As you can see, I was a little disappointed with the M1 since the first video. There's something lacking with its features, and that's the reason why I made a follow-up with the V8. My conscience was killing me. I know the V8 might be a bit more expensive, especially in other countries, and it's probably the main reason why you'd pick the M1 instead. This might be another option for you guys. A voice changer that has a feature and price that is in between the M1 and the V8. Let's do this. Original. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
Robot. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
Magnetic. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
Queen. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
Male to female. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
Female to male. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
Lolita. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Minions. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2.
KTV. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. DJ. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Phonograph. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Studio. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. Coldfield. Countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Show up. Applause. Kiss. Laughter. Cheer. Surprise.
Fine tuning with robot. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Fine tuning with magnetic. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Fine tuning with Queen. Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Test, test, test.
Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Test, test, test.
Fine tuning with male to female. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Fine tuning with female to male. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
Testing volume control.
Test, test, test. Test, test, test.
M1 is cheap, and this is 100 pesos more expensive than the M1. 100 pesos more, and you'll have 8 additional built-in sound effects. Though a bit bigger than the M1, this will still surely fit in your pocket. Pocketable? If you're an Xbox or PS4 user, or PS5, you won't need any adapters if you're using a 3.5mm headset. And I love the phonograph effect. I don't have that on my other voice changers. Even though this voice changer may work standalone, only mic and speakers, it will still need an amplified speaker system to boost up the volume. Otherwise, you can barely hear the sound from it. If you're mainly using this with a phone, then this is better than the M1. But for a gamer like me who barely looks at the keyboard, I prefer bigger buttons like the ones on a V8, or better yet, the Monocaster Lite, which has illuminated buttons. And having to look at the keypad for the effect would be a drag for sure. And the first time I tested this on a phone call, it gave me a feedback or echo problem on the other side. All I did was restart the voice changer and the issue went away. You may also change your mic if it still remains. If you want the V8 but you want to pick this one instead because it's affordable, then check again. Someone's selling the V8 at Shopee and Lazada Philippines for less than 300 pesos. Well, I got this for 800. Well, the thing, it was still new then. I felt bad reading the comments that they're selling these voice changers too damn expensive in the Western shores. It's probably the custom duties making it high. Hope you all get a better deal. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Comment your comments in the comments below. Like and share to show your love. I use voice changer all the time with my Let's Plays, so be sure to check them all out and don't forget to join our subreddit. See you again on the next one. God bless.